So, what is a unit operation? A unit operation is a basic step in a process involving physical change. Some types of unit operations include evaporation, filtration, distillation, mass transfer, heat transfer, and thermodynamic processes. But those can all be divided into three main unit operations: combination, separation, and reaction. At UConn, for example, imagine a soccer field. And then in comes a thunderstorm. As the sun comes out, it heats up the ground, causing the water to turn into vapor, and then eventually returning back into the clouds. Thus, the unit operation of evaporation. An example of heat transfer would be the cogeneration plant. They use what is called a combustion turbine. The compressor draws air into the engine, which is pressurized and fed into the combustion chamber. The high temperature generated from a natural gas line causes the air to expand and move to the turbines, rotating the blades. The turbines function as two things: bringing air into the combustion chamber and spinning a generator to produce electricity on campus. To conclude unit operations at UConn, we'll talk about a thermodynamic process that just about every student on campus has, and that is refrigeration. The compressor constricts the refrigerant vapor, raising its pressure, and pushes it into the condenser coils on the outside of the refrigerator. When the hot gas in the coils meets the cooler air temperature of the kitchen, it becomes a liquid. Now in liquid form at a high pressure, the refrigerant cools down as it flows through the expansion device and into the evaporator coils inside the freezer and the fridge. The refrigerant absorbs the heat inside the fridge, cooling down the air. Finally, the refrigerant evaporates to a gas, then flows back to the compressor where the cycle starts all over.